Welcome to our video on dropshipping. If you've been thinking about starting your own e-commerce store, you may be wondering how you'll get access to an inventory of products or where you'll store them. Under the traditional business model, retailers are responsible for the order fulfillment process from start to finish. That often means leasing warehouse space for products, handling supply chain and inventory management, and managing shipping costs. But there's an alternative business model for fulfilling customer orders placed through an online store: dropshipping. In this video, we'll be discussing what dropshipping is, what a dropshipper is, how dropshipping works, the benefits and drawbacks of dropshipping, and how you can start your own dropshipping business in 2023. We'll also be answering some frequently asked questions about dropshipping. First, let's define what dropshipping is. Dropshipping is an order fulfillment method where a business doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, the seller purchases inventory as needed from a third party, usually a wholesaler or manufacturer, to fulfill orders. The biggest difference between dropshipping and the standard retail model is that the selling merchant doesn't stock or own inventory. They act as the middleman. A dropshipper is a person or business that uses the dropshipping model of buying inventory and fulfillment logistics from a third party instead of warehousing and shipping the products themselves. A dropshipping operation may be managed by dozens of employees or a single business owner. Now, let's talk about how dropshipping works. There are two common approaches to adopting a dropshipping business model. The first is to seek out one or more wholesale suppliers located in North America or anywhere else in the world on your own using a supplier database. Examples of popular online supplier databases include AliExpress, Salehu, and Worldwide Brands.
The second approach is to use an app that connects you and your store to thousands of suppliers, like DSers, a Shopify app that helps independent business owners find products to sell. With DSers, you can browse AliExpress and import the products that pique your interest directly to DSers, which is connected to your Shopify store with the click of a button. Once a customer buys a product, you'll be able to fulfill their order in the DSers app. Dropshipping is often seen as a no-hassle, get-rich-quick scheme, but it's not. Just like any other e-commerce website, it takes dedication to get your startup running and successful. Done well, dropshipping companies can become reliable and convenient partners to growing e-commerce businesses to expedite order and fulfillment processing. Now let's talk about the benefits of dropshipping. One of the biggest advantages is that it's possible to launch an e-commerce store without having to invest thousands of dollars in inventory. With the dropshipping model, you don't have to purchase a product unless you've already made the sale and have been paid by the customer. This means that there's less risk involved in starting a dropshipping store. Another benefit is that running an e-commerce business is much easier when you don't have to deal with physical products. With dropshipping, you don't have to worry about managing or paying for a warehouse, packing and shipping your orders, tracking inventory for accounting reasons, handling returns and inbound shipments, or continually ordering products and managing